This is the wiring diagram for the split AC indoor unit. The wiring connections of the indoor unit as per the recommended color code is as follows. The indoor unit is connected to the terminal block, which consists of W, which is the neutral wire, B, which is the live wire, R, which is the communication wire, and YG, which is the earth wire. The main power cord has three wires: blue, brown, and yellow-green. The BR or the brown wire of the power cord goes to the terminal number 2 for the live supply. For neutral supply, BL or the blue wire from the power cord goes to the terminal number 1, and for earthing, the YG wire goes to earth. Now, the connection of this wiring terminal with the main PCB of the indoor unit is as follows. Neutral supply goes from terminal 1N through white wire at the connector CN8 of the main PCB. The live supply goes from terminal 2L via the black wire at connector CON10 of the indoor main PCB. The communication supply goes from terminal 3C via the red wire at the connector CN4 of the indoor main PCB. Remember, the earth wire in YG or yellow-green color from the wiring terminal should be grounded properly. The display PCB board is connected at connector CN12 of the main indoor PCB. The indoor fan motor is connected at CN2 of the main indoor PCB. The up and down step motor is connected at connector CN3 of the main indoor PCB. The gate switch is connected at the connector CN10 of the main indoor PCB. Both the left and right step motors are connected at CN13 and CN14 of the main indoor PCB. Both front panel step motors are connected at connector CN1 of the main indoor PCB. The wireless net module is connected at the connector CN11 at the main indoor PCB. The fresh air motor is connected via black wire to CON4 of the indoor main PCB and via the red wire to CON5. The bilateral fresh air motor is connected via the blue wire at connector CON6 of the main indoor PCB. The negative ion generation is connected via the red wire to connector CON14 and via the white wire to connector CON15 of the main indoor PCB. The negative ion generation brush and the UV light are connected at connector CN7 of the main indoor PCB. And finally, the integrated control is connected at the connector CN8 of the main indoor PCB.